In this video, I'm going to demonstrate for you why using a blank slide can be risky when you manually add in your own text boxes and word art and then rearrange those items. It's risky because the screen reader will read the items in the order that you added them, not necessarily in the order you intended. So to demonstrate this, I have a blank slide template which I've added to my presentation here. And I'm now going to manually insert one text box, and I will type "this was added first." And again, you'll find out that the order in which you added them is very important. I'll make that larger. Okay, and now I'm going to add another text box, and I will say "this was added second." And I'll make the font larger so that it's easier for you to see. And now I will go and add in perhaps some word art. And I will say "this was added third." Okay, so now I've added all my elements to my slide, but let's say that I look at it and I think, well, you know, I really think that my word art, should be at the top. And I'll just go ahead and move these two down, these two text boxes. Okay, I'm happy with how this looks. And to me, as a sighted person, I can see that clearly when I approach the slide, I will want to read this one first, this one second, this one third. But remember, that wasn't the order in which they were added to my slide. So now I'm going to turn on my screen reading software program. In this case, it's JAWS, and I will demonstrate for you how JAWS will read this slide to someone who can't necessarily see the screen. Okay, so I've now turned on my JAWS program. I currently have it on mute, so I'm about to unmute it, and then I will play the slideshow from the current slide.
Slide 2. This was added first. This was added second. This was added third.
Okay, so from that JAWS reading, you could hear that JAWS read the two text boxes first and then the word art, which is not how it appears on the screen. So hopefully this demonstrated for you some of the risks that would be involved in using a blank slide template. If you move your items around, you definitely have to check that reading order to make sure that JAWS is reading in the order that you intended. We will cover reviewing reading order in the next module. Thank you so much.